Welcome to Nana's Kitchen. This is a recipe for Christmas carrot pudding that was my mother's. To make Nana's Christmas carrot pudding, you need the following ingredients. 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of finely ground suet, 1 cup of grated carrot, 1 cup of grated potato, 1 cup of grated apple, 1 cup of raisins, 1 of currants, 1 of dried cranberries, and 1 cup of fine breadcrumbs. 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. After you mix it all up, you put it in a metal pudding mold is perfect, but I don't have one, so I use this. It's just a mixing bowl. That's metal. My mother used to put it in nice big coffee cans, but they don't make metal coffee cans anymore. They're cardboard, so they don't work. So that's what we're going to put it in when we mix it all up. Now we have to grate the carrot. We have to grate up the potato and the apple and the carrot. Apple's going in too. But I'm going to start to mix it a little bit and get it to sort of ruffled up a bit. And then I'm going to add the suet. My mother's recipe called for 2 tablespoons of sour milk, but it's much easier nowadays. You just put in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And it well mixed because the potatoes and the carrot and the apple are very moist. Okay, now it's time to mix the spices in. To that, add 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, mix all the ingredients together. Line a metal bowl with cheesecloth, with lots of cheesecloth overlapping. Fill the bowl and the cheesecloth with the mixed ingredients. Tie up the cheesecloth tightly. Now this you put in a pressure cooker. Put the bowl into a pressure cooker and put 2 inches of water in the pressure cooker and cook for 1.5 hours. If you have one, use a pudding mold for this. Follow the directions of your pressure cooker carefully. Once cool enough to remove the bowl from the pressure cooker, remove the cheesecloth. Serve with your favorite Christmas hard sauce. Merry Christmas!